TV, and I'm in Pasadena talking with Dr. Robert Seltzer, a board-certified dermatologist, about FracTotal facials. Hi, Dr. Seltzer.
Hello, Laurel.
Hi.
Very nice meeting you.
Nice to meet you. So what are we going to do about my face?
Tell me what you're most self-conscious about.
Okay, a lot of things. So I'm having these jowls develop. I think my cheeks are dropping. And then this pigmentation thing, I'm getting brown spots. I think they're age spots. And of course, wrinkles. Okay. So a lot.
We happen to have one machine that does all three of these. It's called the FracTotal facial.
Okay.
Basically, and includes 3 different modalities that will basically attack these 3 things. One, you talked about your jowls, this part of the machine. That's called Fractora, Forma.
Okay.
And that will basically tighten the area. By superheating the dermis to a certain temperature, you constrict elastic tissue and collagen, and then you form new collagen.
So tightening and lifting.
That's correct.
Without surgery.
Without surgery.
All right. What else?
Second is something called Fractora, and this is a fractionated radiofrequency skin resurfacing.
Okay.
And that will help fine wrinkles, mottle pigmentation.
So brown spots.
That's correct.
Okay.
Sunspots. Okay. And the third basically is called Lumecca IPL. That's a photofacial machine. Basically, that will improve also the modeling, help tighten the pores, and help find wrinkles a little bit.
So it's a 3-in-1.
That's correct.
I love this. What's the downtime?
Between 1 and 3 days at the most.
How long is the treatment going to take?
2 to 2.5 hours.
When do I have to come back?
Usually it's once a month between 3 and 5 times.
Oh, and after 3 or 5 times, my face is going to be refreshed, revitalized, no injections, no mini facelifts needed.
That's correct. You will look like you, but if possible, even a little prettier.
You know, that's what I like, that you still look like yourself, but just a little bit, maybe take a couple years off.
Yeah, people will say, you look better. You know, did you change your hair? Did you wait? Did you well rested? But, you know, it will just tweak.
I love it. All right. Well, I'm ready for this treatment. Let's get started.
Sounds good.
Great. All right, Dr. Seltzer, I'm ready for my treatment.
Okay, here we go. We're going to do the Fractora Forma,
okay,
which is for non-surgical lifting.
This is the jowls.
Yes, and this, it really doesn't hurt much.
Okay.
Here we go.
So I'm feeling heat. How hot is this going to get?
Yeah, 42 or 43 degrees, depending on the setting. The advantage of this machine, it has an automatic turn-off, so we cannot burn you.
Okay.
So, and you don't need more than that temperature to get the results.
Okay.
So it's very safe.
And how long is this going to take?
Probably 45 minutes to an hour.
Okay. All right, doctor, what are we doing now with these goggles on my eyes?
Okay. We're going to do basically the Lumecca photofacial, IPL. Okay. This is a broadband light source. It'll feel slight amount, basically, and this does for redness, broken blood vessels, and some mottle pigmentation, and for pores.
Okay.
And here we go. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, here we go. That's it.
All right, so what now?
Now we're going to do the Fractora, which is the fractionated skin resurfacing with radiofrequency.
Okay.
And what this will help is the mottle pigmentation, some fine wrinkles itself. Okay?
Oh, good.
And it won't hurt much at all.
Okay.
Okay. And this machine I could titrate from being very mild to being real downtime. On you, I'm going to use a mild to medium setting.
Okay.
Okay. All done.
Easy.
Okay.
That's it. All right, guys, I didn't think you'd want to sit here with me for 2 hours, so I'm actually going to go wash off my makeup so that I can get pretty. For Aesthetic TV, I'm Laurel House. Stay tuned and stay beautiful.